Unboxing a Oakley Sutro custom sunglasses. Hey gang, my name is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impression of an Oakley sunglasses called the Sutro. All right, and the reason I bought glasses is because I was getting a red eye all the time when I rode my bicycle. Like debris would go into my eye, bugs, all kinds of stuff, junk, and my eyes would have red eyes, and I was just tired of it. Okay, so I bought some Oakleys, and I wanted to see if they were hype or if they were the real deal. And they ended up being the real deal. So I ordered a bunch more from them because I was very, very happy with them. So this is a custom, which means that I was able to make it the way I wanted to and get it exactly how I wanted it. So I picked the lens the way I wanted it. I picked the frames the way I wanted it. I was able to change that little thing in there. I was able to change the...
Real quick, download my free book, Real Estate Investing for Beginners, the ultimate starter guide at myrealestatedojo.com, where I teach you how to find motivated sellers, buy their homes at a deep discount, and then have the seller become your own private bank. Subject to, get it now. One more thing, if you're looking for private one-on-one help when it comes to real estate investing, then consider joining my academy where you sit down with me one-on-one. 2, you get monthly coaching. 3, you get access to my best-selling courses. 4, you get access to my video library, and then the list goes on for just $97 a month. Join me now at MrNoFluff.com. Lastly, the best six-figure side hustle, bicycle flipping. Want to see how? Here's a behind-the-scene video how I did it. Go to thebestsidehustle.mrnofluff.com. Now let's get back to the content.
This little logo to exactly the way I wanted it. And this is called their fog, which is basically silver, and it matches my Oakley helmets. Okay, so these glasses have basically like a retro fit to them. All right, they have like a retro fit to them. They're pretty cool. I really like them. My mom doesn't like them, but neither does my wife, but I really like them. And these things will cost you, if you get them custom, about $209 plus tax. So you're looking at probably about $215, okay, for these Oakleys. Now, let me put a disclaimer out there. I bought this Oakley sunglasses with my own money. This is not a sponsored. Oakley didn't give me these. I paid it with my own cash, so I have no incentive to sugarcoat anything. And I'm Mr. No Fluff, so I give it to you just the way it is. Now, Oakley makes some amazing glasses, ladies and gentlemen. They're sport sunglasses, or top of the line, that what top athletes use, and me and you can buy them too. Okay, and that's what this is. This is for cycling. I mean, when I put these glasses on, or my other Oakleys that I put on, and I'll go and do 50 miles, right, on my bike, I forget that I have them on. Like literally, they're so light, and the lens technology is so awesome that I forget I have them on. The other thing I really like about them is their Prizm technology. Okay, the Prizm technology is truly amazing when it comes to their lenses, because it makes everything so contract and so popping. You know what I mean? It's just like so very, very, very cool. And I haven't seen that in any other glasses. So super light. Their lenses also are shatter proof. They're almost like bulletproof. You can have, I've seen Oakley's videos where they shoot like a ball in their glasses and they don't shatter. So the protection is amazing. If you're talking about wind, cold, if you're talking about bugs, it curves around my eye, and like hardly nothing ever goes in there. Okay, I haven't had anything go in my eye since I start sporting these Oakleys, or my other Oakleys. I just got this one. So this is not a long-term review. This is just unboxing, first impression, and for $214. I got to customize it. I don't know if you guys can see green here, neon green there. And my bike is exactly the same color as this fog, and my helmet from Oakley is the same color, so I think I'm set. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give these custom Oakley Sutro a 10. Everything's amazing on them. The lenses are amazing on them. It's lightweight, sticks on my face. It doesn't fall off when I'm riding 28 miles an hour on my bike, when I'm jumping off curves, when I'm pulling my kids. So everything's amazing on it. And if it wasn't, I'll tell you the truth, okay? I'm gonna wear these for, put a couple of hundreds, if not thousands of miles on them and give you an update. But so far, craftsmanship is amazing. One thing I forgot to tell you about Oakley's is that they have great customer service, ladies and gentlemen. When they drop the ball, they fix the problem quickly without harassment, okay? Some other companies are not like that, and there's other companies that charge a lot of money and they give you crappy stuff, right? Crappy stuff that's not worth it. It's just a brand. Oakley is a great brand. They give you great quality sunglasses and they stand behind it. And their customer service, I think, is one of the top tiers, ladies and gentlemen. So this is from an owner, not a bicycle shop or a sunglass store raving about them. I'm actually owner. I bought a couple of these before, and that's why I'm buying them again. They're not cheap, but they're like any tools. If you use your tool, right? If you have a tool, you use it all the time. It makes sense for me to buy the best tool possible. For example, on my laptop, I make money online. I use it all the time, so I bought the best laptop I could find. I ride bikes all the time. Every time I go out, I do 50 miles, so I bought the best bike I can find. I wear these glasses all the time when I'm riding bikes. So what? I bought the best ones. I'm a minimalist, but on some things, I have the best. Actually on a lot of things, I just have the best, not because it's a brand that's marketing to be the best. No, it's the best product. I don't believe in buying brand name stuff for the hype, right? That doesn't last. I believe in buying stuff that I can have for 5-10 years, and as long as I take care of it, it's going to be there for me. It's going to perform, okay? And this is something that I believe that it's going to perform. It's going to protect my eyes. Science has developed so much, but they still haven't been able to give you a brand new eye. So if I, something hits me in my face, in my eye, I'm not going to be able to have science to hook me up. So these glasses are perfect because they're stylish and they actually work. The Prizm Road lenses are truly amazing, and I'm very, very happy with them. So guys, if you have any questions regarding the Oakley Sutro Custom or anything about it, I'd be happy to answer it. Leave me your thoughts below, and always remember, you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you ever imagined. Romy. Hit that like button. Don't take no for an answer. Peace.